Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 30th November. Let's start. In the year of 1858, on this day, the famous scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose was born. In the year of 1872, on this day, the first official international football match was played. In the year of 1888, on this day, Gendalal Dikshit, India's famous revolutionary, was born. He headed the Shivaji Committee, a group of Indian freedom fighters who were engaged in subversive activities against the British Raj. In the year of 1931, on this day, Indian historian Romila Thapar was born. She is Professor of Ancient History Emerita at Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi. In the year of 1934, on this day, the locomotive Fly Scotsman became the first steam locomotive to be officially certified when it reached 100 miles per hour speed. In the year of 1965, on this day, the Dolls Museum was established by the famous cartoonist K. Shankar Pillai in Delhi. In the year of 1982, on this day, a letter bomb exploded at 10 Downing Street, the British Prime Minister's office. In the year of 1982, on this day, Gandhi, directed by Richard Attenborough and starring Ben Kingsley and John Gielgud, premiered in New Delhi. In the year of 1999, on this day, the third session of the World Trade Organization was started in the northwest Seattle of the United States of America. In the year of 2000, on this day, Priyanka Chopra became the Miss World. In the year of 2011, on this day, the government of Pakistan banned the broadcast of the world news channel BBC for showing the documentary Secret Pakistan. In the year of 2012, on this day, Indra Kumar Gujral, the 12th Prime Minister of India, passed away. In the year of 2016, on this day, Belgian beer culture was added to its culture heritage list by UNESCO. In the year of 2017, on this day, world's longest visual rainbow recorded 8 hours 58 minutes in Taipei's Yangmingshan mountain range. In the year of 2019, on this day, Australian cricketer batsman David Warner scored an unbeaten 335 runs in the second test against Pakistan, the second highest test score by an Australian. Before that, Matthew Headin scored 380, and highest test score at the Adelaide Oval was made by David Warner. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Ramnagar Forest Division of Uttarakhand built the first eco-bridge, a 90 feet long and 5 feet wide on the Kaladhungi Nainital Highway, which was inaugurated on this day. The bridge has been constructed to protect reptiles and small animals from vehicular accidents while crossing the road. In the year of 2020, on this day, PM Modi participated in the Dev Deepavali festival for the first time in his parliamentary constituency, Varanasi. On the occasion, PM Modi dedicated the 6-lane Prayagraj-Varanasi section widening project of National Highway 19 to the nation. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Government of India appointed IAS officer Varsha Joshi as the new chairman of the National Dairy Development Board. In the year of 2020, on this day, the government created a new DRDO laboratory to conduct research focused on terrain and avalanches along India's borders with China and Pakistan. This laboratory has been formed by merging two existing DRDO laboratories. In the year of 2020, on this day, Assam Health Minister Himant Vishwa Sarma had informed that the state government is contemplating to bring a law for more transparency in marriage. The law would make it mandatory for both the bride and groom to disclose information about themselves, such as their religion and source of income. In the year of 2020, on this day, Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant launched a one-time settlement scheme for electricity consumers. He said that his government gives priority to the interests of the needy and common man. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Karnataka High Court had ruled that the right to marry a person of choice, irrespective of caste or religion, is a fundamental right. The judgment was given by a bench of Justice S. Sujata and Justice Sachin Sankar Magadam. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.